Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video you will learn on how you can add custom domain on GitHub pages. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your GitHub account. And then in the other tab, I am on my Squarespace domain since I will be using this domain so that I can add this to my GitHub pages. So once you're here on your dashboard, all you have to do is to tap on your profile that you can see at the top right of your screen. All right, and go to the settings. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here at the left side, just scroll down and look for the pages option. So this one. All right, and right here, you'd be able to see your verified domain. So since we don't have a domain yet, what we're going to do here is to tap on the add a domain option. Okay, and then what domain would you like to add? So here, I'm just going to copy my domain. All right. So let me just tap it right here, trade.com, and then tap on the add domain option, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so the next step that we are going to do is to copy the verification steps. So right here, the first one is we are going to create a TXT record in your DNS configuration for the following host name. So we are going to copy this one. All right, and then going here on our domain settings and go to the DNS settings, we are going to add a new record. So tap on the add record option. Then for the host name, we're going to paste the host name. Then go back here. After that, copy this TXT record for the value of the TXT. So copy this one and then put it right here. That's right. And then for our type, it should be TXT. And then tap on the save option. Okay. So here you just have to wait and go back right here. After that, you just have to tap on the verify. So wait until your DNS configuration changes. So this could take up to 24 hours to propagate. So tap on the verify once you're done adding these options to your Squarespace domain or to your domain provider. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have successfully verified our domain. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.